Water tier list part 3. Okay, I swear the water that comes out of this is godly, bro. It's gotta be at the top. Also, after recess, this just hits hard. This is easily S tier. Okay, next up, pool water. It's fun to swim in, but people pee in it, and it's just kinda gross if you think about it. I gotta give it at least, like, well, it's fun, so, like, I'll give it C tier. Anyways, that's the end of this tier list.
Ayo pause dog, that's Pokimane bro.
No, don't tell them!
Ayo pause dog, that's Pokimane bro was really gonna rank her bathwater, you're caught in 4K dude.